Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable or re-enable the OpenH264 video codec on Mozilla Firefox. For instance, if you have been experiencing various bugs or performance issues with video or media you play on Firefox lately. So enabling that video codec may help you fix the issue. So let us dive right into it, guys. It is actually a matter of a few clicks here on Firefox. What you need to do is click into these three lines in the top right corner to access your browser settings from that drop-down menu. Next, guys, what you want to do is click into extensions and themes here in the bottom left corner. Alternatively, guys, if you see the extensions icon here in your toolbar in the top right corner, you may access it through this button as well. So let me head over to extensions and themes here. And here, guys, this has nothing to do with extensions, but from the Extensions Management Center, you can simply navigate to plugins. And here under plugins, guys, you will see all plugins that are currently active, as well as those that are currently deactivated or disabled. Amongst that, you may see the OpenH264 video codec either as active or disabled. If it is disabled, guys, all you need to do is simply click into these three dots here and select Always Activate. Or alternatively, click into Manage here. And here you may, for example, read more about it. You may enable also the automatic updates so that you may receive the newest or most recently released version of these video codecs automatically downloaded by Firefox so that you don't have to do this. You will see the version below, the last update date here, which is March 2025. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Just in some cases it may be necessary to refresh the page or to restart Firefox entirely, and that should re-enable the OpenH264 video codec on Mozilla Firefox. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.